Hello, today I will talk to you about an important and useful historical scientific piece of information, which is the Arab Muslim scholars in the Middle Ages, and their role in setting the first imprints on the sciences we live in now. We will start first with Ibn al-Haytham. Ibn al-Haytham, c. 965, c. 1040, was a medieval Arab scientist, mathematician, astronomer, and physicist. He is considered the father of modern optics and a pioneer of the scientific method. He wrote more than 200 works on various topics such as optics, astronomy, geometry, algebra, mechanics, and philosophy. His most influential work is the Book of Optics, Kitab al-Manazir, written between 1011 and 1021, which contains his theories of light, vision, reflection, refraction, and image formation. He also proposed the intromission theory of vision, which states that vision occurs when light rays enter the eye. He performed many experiments to test his hypotheses and measure light's properties. He also criticized the works of Ptolemy and Euclid and corrected some of their errors. Some of his other notable works are Doubts Concerning Ptolemy, Shukuk ala Batlamyus, in which he challenges the Ptolemaic model of the universe and proposes an alternative one based on observation and logic, on the configuration of the world, Hayha ala al-Dunya, in which he discusses the structure and motion of the celestial bodies and the physical laws governing them. The treatise on place, Risala fi al-Makan, in which he develops a geometrical theory of place and space and explores the concept of infinity. The treatise on light, Risala fi al-Daw, in which he explains the nature and properties of light and color and introduces the concept of the horopter, the balance of wisdom, Mizan al-Hikmah, in which he describes various mechanical devices and inventions, such as the water clock, the suction pump, and the camera obscura 123. Ibn al-Haytham was a brilliant and original thinker who made significant contributions to the development of science and mathematics. He was admired and cited by many later scholars, such as Newton, Kepler, Huygens, and Galileo. He is regarded as one of the greatest scientists of the Islamic Golden Age and of all time. We will now talk about the second Arab and Muslim scientist who made his mark in the discovery and invention of modern science. He is Ibn al-Nafis, was born in 1210 in Damascus, Syria. He was a Muslim polymath who excelled in medicine, anatomy, physiology, and other fields of knowledge. He is famous for being the first to describe the pulmonary circulation of the blood, which challenged the ancient theory of Galen. He also performed human dissections and discovered many aspects of the coronary and capillary circulations. He wrote more than 110 medical textbooks, as well as works on jurisprudence, philosophy, theology, and literature. He died in 1288 in Cairo, Egypt. He is regarded as one of the greatest physiologists of the medieval era. Next, we'll talk about the third Arab and Muslim scientist who made his mark in the discovery and invention of modern science. He is Abu Ali Sina, also known as Avicenna, was a Muslim polymath who is regarded as one of the most influential figures in the history of medicine. He was a physician, philosopher, scientist, and writer who lived from 980 to 1037 CE. Avicenna was born in Afshana, a village near Bukhara in modern-day Uzbekistan. He began his studies at a young age, and by the age of 16 he was already a practicing physician. He traveled widely throughout the Islamic world, treating patients and studying medicine and philosophy. Avicenna's most famous work is the Canon of Medicine, which is a comprehensive medical encyclopedia that was used as a standard textbook for centuries. The canon covers a wide range of topics, including anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and pathology. It is considered to be one of the most important works of medicine ever written. Avicenna also wrote extensively on philosophy, including the Book of Healing, which is a philosophical encyclopedia that covers a wide range of topics, including logic, metaphysics, and ethics. He also wrote on other subjects such as astronomy, mathematics, and music. Avicenna's work had a profound impact on the development of science and medicine in the Islamic world and Europe. His canon was translated into Latin and other languages, and it was studied by scholars for centuries. His work also influenced the development of modern medicine. Here are some of Avicenna's most notable accomplishments. He is considered to be the father of modern medicine. His Canon of Medicine is one of the most important works of medicine ever written. He made significant contributions to the fields of philosophy, astronomy, mathematics, and music. His work had a profound impact on the development of science and medicine in the Islamic world and Europe. Avicenna is one of the most important figures in the history of science and medicine. His work has had a lasting impact on the development of these fields, and he is considered to be one of the greatest thinkers of all time. Now we'll talk about the Arab and Muslim scientists who made their mark in the discovery and invention of modern science. He is al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra. Between the years 780-850 AD, al-Khwarizmi was a Muslim polymath who is widely regarded as the father of algebra. He was born in Khwarizm, a region that is now part of Uzbekistan, in the 8th century AD. He lived most of his life in Baghdad, the capital of the Abbasid Caliphate. Al-Khwarizmi's work on algebra was groundbreaking. His book, The Compendious Book on Calculation by Completion and Balancing, introduced the concept of algorithms, which are step-by-step procedures for solving problems. He also developed new methods for solving equations, including the quadratic formula. Al-Khwarizmi's work on algebra had a profound impact on the development of mathematics. His book was translated into Latin in the 12th century, and it became a standard textbook for European mathematicians for centuries. Al-Khwarizmi's work also helped to introduce the Hindu-Arabic numeral system to Europe, which is still used today. In addition to his work on algebra, Al-Khwarizmi also made significant contributions to other fields of mathematics, including trigonometry and geometry. He also wrote on astronomy, geography, and history. Al-Khwarizmi's work was highly influential, and it helped to lay the foundation for modern science. He is considered one of the most important mathematicians of all time. Some of Al-Khwarizmi's key contributions include introducing the concept of algebra, developing new methods for solving equations, introducing the Hindu-Arabic numeral system to Europe, writing on trigonometry and geometry, writing on astronomy, geography, and history. Finally, Al-Khwarizmi is considered the founder of algorithms, which is a set of mathematical, logical, and sequential steps necessary to solve a problem. It is currently used in computers and artificial intelligence, AI.